Feeling stuck in the COVID muck and not sure what to do. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and I get it. I feel you. I remember when it's been a year now since COVID-19 struck all of our lives, pretty much a global impact. I can't think of another thing that's had this kind of impact in my life or in anybody else I've known's life. I mean, we've had individual things that have disturbed our lives and impacted our lives, but never so many of us influenced and impacted at the same time. For many of us, it's left us stuck and confused and not knowing what to do. So last year, I felt that way too. I was like in a funk, and it's been a long time since I've been in a funk. And, business was blown up, relationships were blown up, people were off of work and school, and all kinds of craziness and pandemonium and chaos was going on. And I needed to figure out what I was going to do to make sure that however long it lasted, because in the beginning it was going to be 2 weeks, then it was a month, then it was 3 months, then it was 6 months. And here we are a year later. And I don't know about you, but life is nothing like it was a year ago, February, right? It's totally different for the vast majority of us. For some, it's much, much better. For most, it's not better, or we wouldn't say when asked, hey, yeah, my life is way better than before COVID. And unfortunately, it's one of those events that has happened to all of us that will forever change our lives. There's a few of those in our life, and we talk about that in the upcoming, starting tomorrow, 7th Get Up and Go Challenge. My response to the whole pandemic was to create a 30+ day challenge to help myself keep moving forward a teeny bit every day, knowing what to do and how to navigate challenges, how to navigate change, how to make sure that I was guaranteed to be better off after any change or challenge that I faced than before. And over the decades, I faced a whole lot of crazy challenges, up to including death. I had a sudden cardiac arrest 10 years ago. And, why am I here and other people aren't? Because the vast majority of people don't survive an event like that, a health challenge or an event like that. And I think it's like because I'm here to do what I was always here to do, but I was stopped by all of the things that had happened in my life and the things I thought I should do instead of the things I knew I wanted to do instead of pursuing those. And we all get into those traps. We get into the times in our life where we just coast or we just do what we have to do to survive or get by. And that's not a great feeling. I don't know about you, but I'd much rather be progressing and moving in the direction I want for my life than feeling like I'm just scraping by or surviving or in a fog and a funk and not knowing what to do. So I'd like to invite you to join me and a bunch of other people starting tomorrow just for 10 minutes a day. I am setting a timer and I am promising myself that each video, each day's lesson will be 10 minutes or less a day. And then you'll be asked to do one thing, because if you're not willing to do one small teeny tiny step, a thing for yourself every day for 30 days, then I'm not the person that can help you, because I've learned over decades of practice the power of doing one teeny tiny thing every day and what it can do for our life and how it can enhance and change and morph and create miracles in our life that we never thought were even possible for us. And I'll tell you some of those stories throughout the challenge of myself and of other people who have also used this SOAP framework to clean up and automatically make it possible for them to be better off whenever a change or challenge happens to them. And some changes and challenges are good, some changes and challenges are bad. But wouldn't it be awesome if you could take any challenge that you face and turn it into good? That's what we do with the Get Up and Go Challenge. I want to invite you to join us starting tomorrow for the next 30 days on the Get Up and Go Challenge Facebook page. We also have a private group if you'd like to hop in there and do more networking, more community, connect with other like-minded people who are knowing that they are in charge of their life, that they're in control, and that we all together can create the life that we want. All right, I will catch you tomorrow. Have an absolutely amazing day. And whether you join us in the challenge or not, make sure that you get up and go and make progress for what it is that you want in your life. Take care.